how to fix Facebook we couldn't create your account error. So if you want to fix Facebook we couldn't create your account error, then first thing you need to do is check your internet connection, whether it is able to not for creating your account. You can give a fresh start to your router. Likewise, you can also turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. Or you can also go with your Wi-Fi and your mobile data. Make sure one of the options is turned on and make sure that it's working. You can check that by also opening your browser or your Google and try to load a website, and it might give you some idea that if your internet is working or not. Now head over to the next section. Is you need to tap and hold on to your Facebook. Go with the app info. Now here you need to go with clear data, which is on the bottom, and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Once you've cleared your cache, then your problem may be fixed. If that still isn't fixed your problem, then go back, open up your Play Store, go with search. Under search, you need to search for Facebook. After searching for Facebook, if you have any updates, you need to tap on update. And after updating, you can go and create your account. It will fix your error. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.